I made a bad shot on a big bull this morning. I don't even know what to say because I just found him. I thought I was gonna have to shoot him again. I shot him at just a touch over 500 yards. Shot felt great. Man, I practiced that shot. He laid down. I shot 2 more times. I hadn't even walked up to him yet. I smelled elk when I was sneaking through here. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Big bull. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at that joker. Oh my gosh. Look at the main beams on that bull. They go back 10 feet. Not really. Oh my gosh. Look at that bull. Thank you, Jesus. Look at the beam. Look at the forts on that bull. Look at that side. Oh my gosh. Oh, I can't even believe it. Look at this bull. This bull, the back end on this bull is spectacular, especially on his left side. Look at that back end. Public land. Yeah, limited entry. Put in a lot of points to draw this, and I'll be honest, I was pretty discouraged most of this week. Just wasn't seeing bulls. Didn't feel like I could put it together, and then I came out to a really unlikely place this morning, and a group of 5 or 6, I think, walked across the mountain in front of me, just a touch over 500 yards, and shot this one. Look at that back end on that bull. Look at that. This is the kind of bull I had in mind when I wanted to hunt this unit. Holy cow. Today is the 6th day of the hunt, and I've been after it mostly solo. What a bull though. I'm so grateful. Super grateful. And my family's coming out here. Little Graydon can walk out here and get to this. Can get to this bull, and with his little legs, which couldn't be any better than that, actually, really. So, jeez, what an animal. Bubba, you see him? What do you think about that joker? Hey, do you? You got it. You got it. Come here. Come here, Nora.